taitai, welcome to the largest house and sanitary showroom in Malaysia. Let's go!
Jubin BMS ditubuhkan pada 1990. The new showroom mempunyai 3 aras dan menghimpunkan semua produk dari harga mampu milik hinggalah premium. For the first floor is stone and surface gallery. Di sini you can find natural stones such as marble and granite from all around the world. The second floor is bath and wellness gallery. There are faucet, sink, basin, shower, bathtub, WC, sauna and shower room, and many other bath accessories from Germany, Italy, Thailand, and etc. I need to continue my shopping. See you next time. Love design, love in taitai.